Hello kids, welcome to my YouTube channel Draw with Sumi. Today we are going to see how to draw Holi drawing. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First step is to draw U-shaped curve on top of the page for the banners. Draw triangles all over the curves. Just by leaving small spaces in between triangles all over the curves. Draw U-shaped curve and shapeless curves for the fire. Draw semi-rectangle, end up with oval shape all over the U shape for fire sticks. Now we are going to draw bucket by using oval shape. Draw two slanted lines towards inside and close it by using sleeping line. Draw U curve for the bucket handle. Draw rectangle and triangle shape on top. Next, draw two parallel slanted lines and close the lines with circle for the handle. Draw lines inside. Now draw small circles or oval for water droplets. Draw curved shapeless curves for big water droplets. Again, draw water sprayer by using rectangle and triangle as like we did before. Small droplets all over. Now draw bowls by using two sleeping lines and U-shaped curve. I am going to draw 6 bowls for 6 colors. Draw curved triangle shape on top of each bowl for color powder. Let's start coloring. Today we are going to use all mixed colors since it is a Holi. So give color as your own choice, but use different colors. Don't forget this is Holi, so we are going to do different colors, okay? It's going to be colorful. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Happy Holi. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you.